Hi, I'm Tanisha.
I'm Aryav.
I'm Lynn.
I'm Amna.
I'm Kavya.
And we created Lotus, which is a mental health app, which stands for Less Offensive Thinking, Uniting Social Media Users. So this is our, sorry, go.
All right, so I think we've all been in the situation where we've been mindlessly scrolling on social media for like 2 hours. We don't remember what we were watching, and afterwards you kind of just like feel like pretty bad about it. So we wanted to figure out a way to make this is marketed towards teens, but like make it more like easier to be mindful of what we consume, because like when you consume a lot of media, you also like sort of subconsciously like compare yourself to whatever you're seeing. So we wanted to find a way to be more aware of that. Yeah.
Okay, so this is our homepage where you can kind of like look through and see all of the different aspects we offer. So we have like a journal, tracking your wellness, so like monitoring your mood and your hydration, practicing exercises, and building your world. So we can put UVA as the name, and we can just hit get started.
Yeah. So this is like the main page. There's like a list of stuff here. So on the top, you can put your name and your birthday, and then you have your daily discovery, which is like the fun fact of the day, which you can curate based off of the 8 interests up there. And after that is like that day's journal entry. So you can put like an entry into the journal, which will populate over there. And then there's also journal evaluation option, which I'll talk about in the journal section. But then there's your wellness, mindfulness, intervention, reminders, categories, and then the actual like settings and preferences page, in which you can go in and set like notifications for the app. And then we have like a really important mode, or night mode, or dark mode, which darkens the screen, sets it to contrast. But yeah, after that we have our journal page. So if you go on our journal page, you can put it up an entry, and then based on what you put, if you have journal evaluation on, the system will essentially use like the AI in the back end to generate resources based off of how it thinks you feel. So for example, if you put like, I'm really happy, then it might give you like resources that will make you feel more happy or keep you at like your current mood. If you were to put like, I'm sad, that it might recommend resources to make you feel better. And then there's some journal prompts on the right side, which you can use.
All right, so our mindfulness section is essentially like just an extension of the journal page. So you can like write like anything you want, but here we have the 5 senses. Like you can also like put anything like in the category that like kind of gives you like a reminder. And also for the users that want to like set down goals or like important events or like just like certain aspirations, we also have like a goals section, and also planners that they can like set like certain dates and time. And also we have like a gratitude section where you can essentially just put like anything down that like makes you feel good, or like just something that you are looking forward to. And yeah, just like expand like beyond like your like any like negative comparisons you can make and reflect.
All right, and now our next tab is our reminders tab. So basically this tab is supposed to help you like set reminders for certain things, because you might be like working, or like this is about social media, so like maybe you're scrolling on social media for like a couple hours, and you can choose what notifications you want on. And it like reminds you that, okay, let's take a break, let's like drink water, let's take a deep breath. And like it's supposed to be used as a way to reground you back to reality, and like sort of get out of like that social media like loop.
Okay, and then we have our build page where the different exercises you complete, you can they collect into your points, and you can kind of build a world. So we did like the journal entry, and then we also added a reminder. So if I wanted to build a city, I can just like select on a house, and I can bring it to the center. And the more exercises you do and like the more points you get, then you can build more things. And you have like different environments as well. But that's it.
Fantastic.